In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt text or alternative text to images within Shopify. Alt text is an important aspect of your online store, not just for accessibility, but also for SEO purposes. It helps search engines understand the content of the images on your site and ensures that your website is more inclusive for users who rely on screen readers. So, let's dive into the process of adding alt text in Shopify. To get started, you'll need to log into your Shopify account and reach your admin dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left panel where you'll see various menu options. You'll want to navigate over to the Products section. This is where all of your products are listed and ready for editing. Click on Products, and you'll be taken to a comprehensive list of everything you're selling through your Shopify store. Next, you'll want to select the specific product for which you want to add alt text to an image. Find and click on the product you're focusing on today. This will open up the product page where you can see all the details related to that particular item. Scroll down slightly if necessary until you come across the images associated with your product. Now, focus on the image you intend to optimize with alt text. Click on the image, and this should open it up in a larger view with additional editing options. It's within this image editor that you'll find the field labeled alt text. Think of alt text as a concise description that accurately depicts the image content. It's not just about stuffing keywords. Rather, you should aim for a balanced, descriptive text that truly represents what the image is about. This way, you're ensuring that the image's context is clear, both to search engines and users relying on assistive technologies. Once you've input your descriptive alt text, take a moment to review it. Make sure it's clear and descriptive, yet succinct. Remember, your goal here is to enhance usability and SEO, and accurate alt text can make a significant difference. After you're satisfied with the alt text, there's no need to click Save manually, as Shopify saves it automatically for you. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added alt text to your product images in Shopify. Now your images are not only better optimized for search engines and accessibility, but they also contribute to a more inclusive shopping experience for all your customers. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your Shopify store.